Good afternoon, everybody. This is how I positioned the camera to take a top view from any given object. Let's put this on X-ray to see better. And we clear the location of the camera with Alt G, and then we clear the rotation with Alt R. Look at this. Now we can move the camera. Look at this over here. Now you can even rotate even more the camera if you want like another angle like -90, and then look at how it looks with the zero number in the number pad. And if you want to go even further, you have this option. you know how you like find this useful.